Today we're doing a complete spa bathroom makeover, all from Dollar Tree and Thrifted. These are the true high-end deals, and I don't take the term high-end lightly.
So we're gonna make over this space on a dime using thrifted Dollar Tree finds. Are you ready? Let's hit it. So I have these really cool little mirrors. Look at this. Love it, like nice vintage style.
I am so excited about these tricks. First up, this mirror and a photo stand. Now you can take this mirror and just set this in with your normal decor and it looks great. But I love that the photo stand puts this at the perfect angle to do your makeup at your vanity. This is a power combo and we are moving fast because every single trick I want you to try and go, oh my gosh, Kathryn, this actually works. And 2 and 3, the high-end finds right now are these lip oils from Ione brand. These retail for $5 to $6 in other stores. They are great. And if you do nothing else in this video, grab Retinol Renewing Double Serum from Dollar Tree. This stuff is incredible. Not only does it have amazing reviews, I actually don't use this on my face. I use it on the back of my hands. I'll be 40 on May 25th. That's my birthday. And I promise this stuff is so legit and you see results almost right away. I've been using it for a while and absolutely love this one. And we're not done. Dollar Tree got in these brand new shower pads. Everything I've shared with you in the video so far is $1.25, okay? So it's also really affordable. These really are rivaling some things that I'm seeing at high-end spas, and I got a few of these to bring home. One product that I really love are bathroom ladders. If you've never seen these before, I found one that is less than $25. I'll be sure to link it down below. It even comes with the hooks, which is awesome. This is great if you are really low on space for storage in your bathroom. And we've got a whole makeover coming up, but I want to still talk about some of those amazing Dollar Tree products. Like if you try something that I recommend, I want you to go, whoa, Kathryn was right. This really works. Anything Power Stick brand, their set-in conditioner, as well as their body sprays are awesome. I haven't tried this new salicylic acid or these toner pads, but I was really excited to see them because skincare can get really expensive. And Dollar Tree has a lot of new options that they are rolling out. You could see my store was totally stocked, including with full-size name brand products. This is Twisted Sista. This is Urban Therapy Wellness for your hair. It's paraben-free, sulfate-free, and these are $5 to $6 at other stores. The Spa Essentials serums are awesome. I've used these in a recent video. They're great. In my experience, Dollar Tree serums are fantastic. Their lotions are just so-so. This hydrating hand gel cream is supposed to rival Neutrogena. I did not like it at all. And their vitamin C is only 1%, so it's best to spend your money other places. But this is the OK brand, $1.25 for this pink clay mask. Awesome score. Korean skincare for $1.25 instead of $5 to $6.
When you try them, you're gonna go, oh yeah, Kathryn said these are good. Like they're really good.
So, a few more things to keep your eyes peeled for. Of course, the Essentials hand soap. The acne patches I've had really good luck with, and their nail clippers are great, including their jade rollers. These are things that are like $10. If you look for them on Amazon, they're still just $1.25 at Dollar Tree. And of course, when it comes to organization, yes, this bathroom project has an organization makeover. I love their woven bins and lots of the $3 options. They got really cool mini trays and mini boxes, and lots of these have mirrors on them. So they just are really high-end and classic looking. A lot of these appear to be vintage, which you know I have been totally loving lately. All of these products that I'm showing you here are new as well, including these glass jars. But I'm actually going to go thrifting in a minute and take you there in this video because some stuff is better at Dollar Tree and some is better thrift. It just really depends. So these organizer containers at $1.25, they're some of my favorites. And the plastic is thicker than it used to be. So this is the space that I'm actually making over.
Maybe you've got a spot like this in your house, a weird spot, something you don't know what to do with.
So this space I'm working with today, we definitely wanted to tackle the under sink organization as well as give some purpose to the top. This is a very long vanity. And when this shower was redone, it left kind of a big, awkward, open space. So off to the store I went to start to give this some purpose and do it really affordably. Have you tried the Dollar Tree stacking bins under your sink? Now these are stable. In my last video, I shared with you the $1.25 version. The $3 version is great in a bathroom. It really maximizes your vertical space, especially when you're dealing with lots of product. You can actually see everything, and that's how you know you're going to use it. I used one of the woven baskets off to the side, and these organizers that I showed you, these drawers are notoriously hard to organize. Do you have any really narrow drawers like this? These bins are excellent for simplifying, and they're low profile. And here's something I found to be true. Every small space that you organize in your house is a declaration saying, I am worth it. The drawer isn't just organized. For me, it's kind of proof that you can do hard things. You can make a decision, make something better. Every time you show up for yourself, even in small ways, you're building a life that's lighter, stronger. And if nobody has cheered you on today, let me be that person. The budget total for this space was under $75, and I still needed furniture, so I went to Habitat for Humanity Restore. With such a small budget, do you think I can do it?
So right now I'm in the Habitat for Humanity Restore, and I came across this chair for $5. This is a vintage piece and it has some markings on it. This is handcrafted, and a set of these retails for literal thousands of dollars. So I'm gonna pick this up because I think it could be really cool in the bathroom. The art here is really awesome, and I'm thinking there's a few kind of canvas prints. This one is $5 and really beautiful, and it kind of echoes the green that she has going on in the cabinetry. So I think we could use this. So far we've spent $10, and I think it's gonna look great.
Thrifting glass canisters is so the way to go. They're only a few dollars each, and wicker baskets too. This one was just $3 and was definitely handmade.
What I really like about this section is this is where all of the things that are about to get put out on the floor go. So this is like the brand new stuff that people haven't had a chance to really look at. So I always come over here. There's lots of really cool options.
I thrifted this amazing little shelf, which I knew would be perfect in this corner for extra storage, and it gives purpose to this once neglected space. For this project, it was free to us from Facebook Marketplace. And then I took some Dollar Tree soap. Y'all, I love their soap, okay? I really like the packs that are packs of 3 for $1.25. And I just set these inside one of the glass canisters. This gives this a complete spa-like feel. And you can see there is the thrifted basket. And then I took some of the spa essentials in another glass canister that I thrifted, and I set this right on the shelf. The secret to a spa-like bathroom is things that are white, elegant, pretty, and serene. Keep out. If it's beautiful, find a way to store it in a beautiful way out in the open. The bathroom space was also feeling a bit neglected, and that $5 art that I found worked perfectly in here. Generally, when you have a long, tall wall, you also want a long, tall piece of art. It's going to help give it the right scale and balance. I also thrifted this little basket that I put some essentials on top of the toilet. Now, this was art that I actually had in my house that I was no longer using, so I gifted it. Has your Dollar Tree brought back the bamboo lidded containers? These are so great for bathroom essentials. And again, these are beautiful, so they're fun to keep out. I also Google Lensed the chairs, and it turns out they are worth hundreds of dollars. Some sites had them as much as $400. And that's the thing, elegance, you don't have to spend a lot for. In fact, sometimes the best things in life are totally free. We were making a spa, and I knew a spa called for real flowers, and the budget just wasn't there. So we trimmed these off of a bush in the side yard. Just the beautiful white elegance. Putting these with some water, these will last for up to a week inside. I grabbed this beautiful thrifted tray and some things that she already had, including a Dollar Tree jade roller. And we still had a little bit of budget left, so I went back to the thrift store to look for some curtains. I love getting curtains at the thrift store. These were just $1.99. I have found Pottery Barn curtains just literally kicking it, the same price as everything else. You never know what you're gonna find. I used a tension rod, which are really affordable. This one actually had a sticky back feature, and just these small changes really made the bathroom feel cozy and more personal. And I'm a firm believer that the little things make a big difference. And a lot of times we don't end up doing those things at home because we just don't know how, right? I'm gonna link below for you my favorite way to clean glass shower doors. Now, Dollar Tree sells a power paste for $1.25, but my favorite, and as you can tell, I'm really big into natural products these days. All the Dollar Tree options I'm showing you fit into that category, is this one. It's the Scrub Daddy Power Paste. I'll be sure to link it down below, because ain't nobody got time.
5 minutes to a clean shower, I'm telling you. If you have glass doors, glass anything. Ooh, clean.
You just want to scrub this on wet glass, and you don't need to have a lot of elbow grease at all. It takes off the hard water stains, and then you just go over and dry it with a glass polishing cloth. I like to work in little sections, and if you don't have a shower head that can spray right on your door, I just grab a pitcher, you can find those from Dollar Tree, to rinse it all off. But again, you can see I'm barely putting any pressure on this and then rinsing away, and hard water stains be gone. I feel like depending on where you live or what type of water you have, this can feel really challenging. This product works. I've used it for literal years. Reveal time.
Welcome to our 1-day, 24-hour spa retreat bathroom makeover. We spent about $75 on this entire project. This counter looks amazing. Everything is so clean and open. All of the items on it were thrifted, but I think the highlight are the beautiful azaleas that are blooming. I mean, this looks like something in a beautiful hotel. And then just pulling out items that she had in the closet. You can find these really cool jade rollers at Dollar Tree. And I love how this is a handmade chair, and it really ties in all of the natural elements of the room. Over here, I have the bookshelf, and on Amazon, I'll be sure to link it down below. We got this really cool bamboo inspired tree. These are really affordable. They're awesome for your towels in a bathroom or if you have a really small space. I'm also going to link below for you some towel ladders or bathroom ladders if you've got really small walls in your bathroom and you're looking to do something on a budget to be able to access all of your supplies. I love the soap container and all of the thrifted elements, and her shower is so clean. If you have shower doors, I highly recommend investing in that paste. You can clean it in literally 10 minutes. We also redid her powder room. We have the beautiful little valance and the art that was only $5. This was such a simple makeover, and it makes a huge difference in this space.
And I often get asked when I do these videos, what is the grand total that you spent? For everything you see, including all the furniture, all of the elements, the art, and yes, even the organization, I spent a grand total of $74. You can really do it on a dime. Did you enjoy this video? Leave it a big thumbs up and a comment down below. My beautiful friend, if nobody has told you today, guess what? You are enough. I'll catch you soon.